you said you're done.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a clean with me for you guys. I'm just cleaning a few rooms in my house, just tidying up because our house got really messy this morning. So I'm just going around first, and I'm going to start my living room, just tidying up, folding blankets, getting toys and things off the floor.
Pretty words always lame. You're trying to entice me. Not going down, not going down.
I'm then gonna vacuum my couches with my Dyson.
Trying to make a case, don't wait, 'cause you about to be erased, aced. I got too much love for me. 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 Sure it worked before, way to score. You've been quite the player, but I am.
After that, I'm gonna start in dusting my side tables and my TV stand with the Method Wood for Good cleaner.
Now take a note, and you trying to make a case, don't wait, 'cause you about to be erased, aced. I got too much love for me. 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 So much more than a natural build.
Once I'm done dusting, I'm gonna take my Victsing diffuser here. It's 500 milliliters, so it is huge. It takes a ton of water, and I'm gonna put some of my Eden's Garden Stay Alert in here. I love this diffuser. They sent it to me, and I have really been enjoying it. I've tested this out for quite a while. I love that it has a lasting mode to where you can just turn it on and it will go until it runs out of water. You also have a 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hours, so if you do want it to last for a shorter time, and a low and a high mode. I love that thing. It's been wonderful for our living room. I will turn it on right before bed and have it go all night, and then wake up to a fresh smelling house. So I will have that link down below for you guys. Definitely check in my description box down below to check it out. I know you guys will love it just like I have. I'm next gonna vacuum my living room and my hallway.
For me. So much more than a natural build, and I won't lower myself. I play a different game. Got too much.
And then I'm gonna head into my kitchen, and I'm gonna start unloading the millions of dishes in this dishwasher, and I'm going to reload after that as well.
So I got what I deserved, you know it. I wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush
once I'm done unloading, reloading the dishes, I'm gonna clean my nasty sink.
I'm waving the white flag, yeah. It's my fault. Moving on if you want it. I surrender to you. I'm waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag.
I'm then gonna wipe down my microwave and all my counters and my kitchen tables. I'm going to vacuum with my Dyson, and I'm gonna mop this time.
Waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. Waving the white Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
Once I'm all done in the kitchen, I'm just gonna head into Dee's room. I'm gonna start by picking up a few things off the floor. She was out with her daddy at this time, so I thought I'd just do it for her. I'm gonna plug in her lights, pick up the toys like I said, and just give it a quick vacuum. It really wasn't that messy, it just needed a quick tidy.
Feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you.
And the last thing I'm gonna do is throw in a load of laundry. This time I'm just washing our comforter, and that's it. That's everything for this clean with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as leave a comment down below letting me know what you think and if you want to see more cleaning videos here on my channel. Other than that, I'll see you guys back here very soon. Bye!